Hello guys, this is Sam and welcome to Inteflow. Today I'll be taking you on a virtual tour of our manufacturing facility. So even if you can't be here in person, you can see how our multi-layer piping systems and fittings are made. Inteflow operates on a total area of 96,000 square meters. Inside this multi-layer manufacturing facility, we run 14 advanced production lines with an annual capacity of 65 million meters of multi-layer pipes. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you our multi-layer piping system showroom, our laboratory, and our quality control center. And finally, our production line, where everything comes together. Let's get started. Here is our showroom. Here you can see our complete multi-layer piping systems and fittings, each designed for different applications and markets. Each product reflects our focus on performance, compatibility, and system reliability. From material selection to structural design, every detail is developed to meet real project needs, whether for water supply, heating systems, or other building services. The showroom is not just a display of products, it's a window into how Inteflow turns engineering into practical and dependable solutions. Now let me show you where quality is verified, our laboratory and quality control center. At Inteflow, quality control starts from raw material inspection. During production, we carry out in-process checks such as first piece inspection and process parameter recording. And before shipment, every batch goes through final inspection with full documentation. Here in the lab, we perform OIT and melt testing, dimensional and compositional analysis, hydrostatic testing, including hot and cold long-term water cycling tests to simulate real working conditions. These tests help ensure that every product leaving our factory meets strict standards for safety, consistency, and long-term reliability. Now let's move to the heart of Inteflow, the production area, where our multi-layer pipes are made from raw materials to finished products. At Inteflow, everything starts with carefully selected, world-class raw materials. From compounding to extrusion, from aluminium forming and welding to final inspection and packaging, every step is strictly controlled and monitored. We operate both overlap and butt welded technologies, giving us the flexibility to meet different market standards and application requirements. In total, we run 14 advanced production lines, designed for stable output and consistent quality. Today, Inteflow products are certified by more than a dozen international certification processes, covering multiple regions and markets around the world. These include well-known approvals such as RAS, NF, ANOR, and CE, just to name a few. From raw material selection to each stage of production, we use digital systems and process control to monitor the parameters and reduce the risk of errors. This is how we ensure consistent quality batch after batch. Now let's move on to another key part of Inteflow's manufacturing, the fittings workshop. Let's start here in the hot forging area. As you can probably hear, it's pretty noisy here. That's because this is where the heavy forming work happens. Our fittings production is divided into two main areas, the hot forging workshop and the machining workshop. Together they form a complete, highly controlled production chain from raw materials to finished fittings. Here on the shop floor, Inteflow operates more than 300 CNC machines, including fully automatic and semi-automatic equipment. This allows us to maintain high efficiency, stable capacity, and consistent precision across large production volumes. The parts you see here are further processed with precision machining, followed by plating, assembly, and final packaging before they are ready for shipment. What makes Inteflow different is that we don't produce fittings as standalone products. Our fittings are developed and manufactured as part of a complete piping system, fully matched with our multi-layer pipes in terms of dimensions, performance, and long-term reliability. By producing both pipes and fittings in-house, we can control critical interfaces, ensure compatibility, and reduce installation risks for our customers. This is how Inteflow works, not just as a component supplier, but as a complete system solution provider. From product development and testing to automated production and final inspection, every step at Inteflow is designed around one goal: delivering products you can rely on. Thank you for joining us on this virtual factory tour. We look forward to working with you and supporting your projects with Inteflow's manufacturing strength and quality commitment.